I'm in my cat drawing obsession phase. I'm gonna get like a cool picture as a reference. Oh my god, I think I found it. The first thing that I do is just to block out the general shapes. Once I have the block in, and this is something I learned in one of the classes I was taking from Skillshare. Whenever you look at a reference photo, you should always try to find the shapes, you know? Not necessarily find the thing that you want to draw per se, being that circle or square or a triangle. So for example, the cat's torso here, I see like this kind of box thing. I can line up where kind of the paws are. And here, there's another block. Don't worry too much about getting the shape itself perfectly. First, you want to get the gesture drawing, you know, you want to get the movement across, right? This is so adorable, I can't handle it. I love cats, I swear to God. Okay, so here we have a general outline of what the drawing is going to be like. So after I get the general shape, the general outline, I go to the details, the features. I'm going to try to find the middle and where the eyes are. And this kitty here is looking kind of down on her, and it's difficult to get the detailing because it's rather small. And then we have the cute little nosy here. And I'm not trying to get too much of a realistic drawing. I want to make it my own, you know, my own style, my own vibe, I guess. This is one of my favorite ways of using reference because, I don't know, maybe it's a hot take, but I don't see the value in just copying 100% what you see. Because then it's not, like, where's the art, you know what I mean? Like, you're just copying, is it a picture? If it's just a picture, then why would you go through all the trouble of drawing? You know what I mean? I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but I'm trying to put some shading here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it though. Looks weird. You know, when this happens, I never know what to do, honestly, when I can't realize exactly what's wrong. It takes me a while. I don't like that part. I don't like when I don't figure out what's bothering me about the image, you know? Sometimes that happens, and like right now, something's off about the face. I don't know if the eye position is not so good. This looks better. See, drawing is also practicing your own sense of space, you know, awareness, and I think this is better. Of course, this is not going to be all the way down, right? Because cats are pretty rounded creatures. They get the skin that makes them so squishy. Oh my god, I love squeezing my cats. Now, I'm not very good at cat anatomy. I haven't really practiced anatomy per se. So, I'm not really good at it. But I think that if we don't try, we never succeed. And then one day, it'll be good. All I gotta do is practice. You know that saying, practice makes perfect? I'm not sure I agree with that, but I think practice always makes better. Every time you practice, you're improving more and more in your skills. So Ugh, I love these two. Oh my gosh. They're just too adorable. Oh, she's smiling. Of course she is. Because she's got a hoodie. A baby boy to take care of her. Look at him. He's so freaking cute. Now, we need to make them now into angels. All we need to do is give them wings. I don't actually know the anatomy of wings either or where they attach, but I'm going to guess. I think I'm going to start off with his. I think that his wings are folded, perhaps. Like, should they start here somehow? Does this make sense to you? It's not gonna be perfect. Drawing perfect is not the goal. The goal is to have fun. Yes. That's what we want. We want to have fun. Drawing things. In this case, cat angels. Babies. I know I'm stupid. I'm silly. Now, I want to make her wing differently. I'm not sure. I've never drawn wings before. This is the first time. There's always a first time. I don't know, we can just pretend like everything's okay. Even if it looks weird. I want her to have like really delicate feather thingies. Here. Because she's a girl, you know. Not that girls can't be, you know, rugged or whatever, but I want to give her a delicate, I don't know what I'm saying. Delicate feel. Yes. Do. Have to have like another one here, right? You see, this is what being an artist is all about. Having fun and making stuff. The October challenge, the Inktober challenge, has been really good for me in this respect. Because I've been exploring so many different themes and ideas, and I'm really enjoying it. We will pretend that their tails are behind them, which they probably are. Is it too awkward that they don't have a tail? If you are a cat person, if you have cat babies, you know, the tail doesn't have to be like blah, you know. In my reference picture, I don't see the tails either, so it is okay, I guess. Oh my god, I'm in love. I love this. It is too cute. And I wish my man was here to give me a hug too. Just like this, because he's my angel. I love him so much. There won't be anything too new now. What I'm going to do is probably just shading and making it look a little bit more 3D. And cleaning it up a bit. This one is for prompt angel. Duh. This is just so freaking cute. I can't wait to post it actually. looks really nice. And I hope you had fun drawing with me.